This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya and this is Prapti. Today we are going to study about the respiration and circulation. From that we are going to study about the external respiration or exchange of gases at alveolar level.
Now the next step of the mechanism of respiration, it is the external respiration. In this external respiration, we are going to see about the exchange of gases. So this exchange of gases in between the alveoli. Okay, all of you knows that whenever we are taking air, so that air from the nostrils, it enters into the larynx, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and at the end of the bronchiole, that small grapes-like structures are present that are known as the alveoli. Now the exchange of gases that takes place between the alveoli and capillaries. So these alveoli are surrounded by the capillaries, as we have already seen. See this, like this, these are the alveoli, and these alveoli are surrounded by the capillaries. Means here it is surrounded by the pulmonary veins and it is surrounded by the pulmonary arteries. Okay, so during this time, so here there is a exchange of gases takes place from this alveoli into the capillary, and from the capillaries there is exchange of gases takes place into the alveoli. So here generally what happens, these alveoli are there. This alveoli which is made up of the simple squamous epithelial tissue. Simple squamous epithelium. At the same time, so these capillaries are there. These capillaries are also made up of the simple squamous epithelium tissue. Both of these are made up of the simple squamous epithelial tissue. This squamous epithelium tissue, which is based on the basement membrane, is rest on the basement membrane. Now see this, these are the alveoli. This alveoli, which is consist of the simple squamous epithelium tissue, and here this capillaries, the wall of capillaries, these are also made up of the simple squamous epithelial tissue. Now here what happened, both of these, this alveoli and these capillaries, these are forming this respiratory membrane. See this respiratory membrane, both of these are forming this respiratory membrane, and the exchange of gases which takes place through the respiratory membrane now. Okay, now here this respiratory membrane, how this exchange of gases takes place through this respiratory membrane, so that is totally depends on the partial pressure. So that is totally depends on the partial pressure of the oxygen and partial pressure of this carbon dioxide. On both of these, this exchange of gases takes place. Now how from this alveoli this oxygen enters into the capillaries, and how from these capillaries this carbon dioxide enters into the alveoli, because it is, as I have already explained, it is totally depends on the partial pressure of that gas. Means what? Suppose this partial pressure, the partial pressure of this carbon dioxide, okay, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in this capillaries, if it is suppose approximately 45 mmHg, and the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide which are present in the alveoli, okay, so that alveolar air, that is, if suppose that is 40 mmHg. If you observe the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the alveoli, it is 40 mmHg, and the partial pressure of the carbon dioxide in the capillary, that is 45 mmHg. And always this diffusion of gases, this, that is from higher concentration concentration towards the lower concentration. And that's why, see that's why if whenever that partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 45 mmHg in the capillaries and the partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 40 mm in the alveoli, so that time the exchange of gases takes place from these capillaries into the alveoli. Then this carbon dioxide enter into the alveoli. From that alveoli it enter into the bronchi. From that bronchi it enter into the trachea. From the trachea then larynx. From larynx pharynx. From pharynx then there is the nostrils. And through the nostrils then we are throwing that carbon dioxide outside the body. Okay, so like this is the about the carbon dioxide. Now what about the oxygen? Now if suppose that oxygen, the partial pressure of oxygen in these surrounding, means in the capillaries, if suppose it is 40 mmHg and partial pressure of that oxygen in this alveoli, that is 104 mmHg. So of course then there is a diffusion of gases, as I have already told you, diffusion of gases from higher concentration to lower concentration. So that's why that oxygen is moving from that alveoli into the capillaries, and then through the capillaries then it passes towards the each and every cell, each and every tissue. So this exchange of gases means this is only known as the external respiration. In that we have already seen about the exchange of gases between the alveolus and capillary.